Hello and welcome to another video from Flaming Spider Cyclone. Today we're going to replace the driver's side window switch on a 2002 Ford Escape. As always, it should be the same for a Mazda Tribute and Mercury Mariner. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Alright, first thing you'll notice is that I'm missing my switch. Well, there was a problem with it that made the window roll down automatically for some reason, so I ripped the whole switch off. I wouldn't recommend doing that. But now I have a replacement like 6 months later. So now I can fix it. So to get this off, you just need a flat screwdriver. And what you want to do is the top corner right here, just get this to start to move. And then this gap will be on the top. You can use a screwdriver to pry that out. And on this, it just pulls up, out. Don't break this clip because you're going to need that. And then this is the whole thing. And then there's a clip on the back that you need to take off. Your fingers will hurt really bad if you try to do it with just them. So you can just get the screwdriver and push this little tab in. And then you just waggle it around until it comes out. So the new one I have doesn't have this cover on it, so I need to take this off of here to put it on here. So there is clips on the sides. There's also black tape on mine. You just go right underneath and then pull it out. If you don't have the black tape, it'll be easier. Just do it without breaking the plastic, because otherwise you have to buy a new cover too. And then on this side, you can go around the corner on this side. And then this one should be about the same. And it just clipped itself back in. Okay, that. And the top one again, and then that comes out. Then there's only one way this can go in, so it doesn't really matter. It's not going to go in backwards. You just slide that in, and then it snaps into place. Then all you got to do is hook the plug back in with the tab facing this part right here where this notch is at. It's not going to fit the other way, but still it's easier this way. And then you should hear it click into place. And then you just push this in, and this piece goes inside there. And then the top should just snap into place. And now you have your power window switch replaced. Oh, we got the power window switch switched out. If you liked the video, please leave a like. Subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. I just passed 95 subscribers. This is totally awesome. Thank you so much for the people that have subscribed, and to everyone who likes my videos. Well, I guess that's all I got to say, really, but until next time, thanks for watching.